The phone I am holding is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S. Today, I will remove its screen lock and watch the video till the end without pulling it. This device is locked. After pressing the power button, the off option will actually turn off the phone. Press and hold power button plus volume up together. Click the volume down button to go back-to-back menu. Go to web data by pressing volume down. And then press power. I will press all web data. Then click continue. I will reboot the phone. Assalamu alaikum everyone, please subscribe the channel.